India's largest socio-religious Muslim organization, Jamiat Ulama Hind, has appealed to Supreme Court to bar the Hindu right-wing Bharatiya Janata Party ruled states from demolishing the homes of Muslims accused by the authorities of participating in violent incidents. The petition makes the central government as well as the states of Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat respondents where Muslims have been abused in recent days. It said, in the central Madhya Pradesh state, provocative slogans were allegedly raised near a mosque during Ram Navami celebrations, which led to a riot, stone-pelting and violence, the Amnesty International said. India has witnessed a steep rise in hate speech and anti-Muslim actions since Prime Minister Narendra Modi's ruling BJP rose to power in 2014. Hindu monks, known for their subversive anti-Muslim rhetoric, have been calling for ethnic cleansing of some 200 million Indian Muslims. Top leaders of India's opposition political parties expressed concern over the rise in hate speech incidents in the country and also condemned recent communal violence across several states.